What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Average Homeowner's YouTube channel, your go-to source for all things lawn care. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial steps in maintaining a healthy lawn, soil testing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding your soil is the key to achieving that lush green paradise that you are looking for. So let's dive into exactly why you should consider testing your soil regularly. Let's go. But first, I just want to tell you that the soil test kit that I use is going to be the My Soil Test Kit from the Andersons, and I've linked to that in the description below. Get the one with the lawn core. You're going to need that. It gives a much more accurate soil test because you can go deep and in. Soil testing might seem like a professional lawn care task, but it's actually quite simple and incredibly beneficial for anyone with a lawn. But why test your soil? Well, soil is the foundation of your lawn. It provides essential nutrients and supports your grass. Without the right balance, your lawn can suffer. A soil test reveals a lot about the health of your soil. It tells you all about its nutrient content, pH level, and more, which can help you make informed decisions about your fertilization and treatment schedules. By testing your soil, you can understand what your lawn is lacking or has in excess. Here are the major benefits. First is nutrient management. A soil test identifies deficiencies in essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are crucial for plant growth and root development. Second is going to be pH level adjustment. Knowing the pH level of your soil can determine how well plants can absorb nutrients. Most lawns thrive in slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6 and 7. And the third benefit is avoiding over-fertilization. Over-fertilizing not only wastes money, but it can also damage your lawn and the environment. A soil test helps you apply just the right amount of fertilizer so you don't run into these problems. So how do you test your soil? Well, it's easier than you might think. You can buy a DIY soil test kit from your local garden store or online. For more detailed results, you can order a soil test kit and send off your soil sample to a local extension service or to the private lab. I have put the DIY kit I use down in the description below. If you're going to get one, get it there. It supports the channel. While I'm on the topic of supporting the channel, if you have found any value in my content, I would appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. It helps us beat the algorithm and grow the channel just like you're growing your grass. Next, you want to collect samples from several spots in your lawn to get a good overall picture. Mix these samples together and send them off for analysis. The results will give you a detailed report on what your soil needs. I know it comes with just one core puller, but go ahead and get multiple cores. That's the best way to do it. Once you have your results, it's time to interpret them. This might look daunting at first, but it's quite straightforward. You'll receive recommendations on how to adjust your soil for optimal lawn health. This could mean adding lime to raise the pH or sulfur to lower it based on your soil test. If you're not sure how to interpret the results, don't worry. Your local garden center, extension agent, or the lab that did the test can help you understand and plan your next steps. Regular soil testing, say every 2 to 3 years, can dramatically improve the health and appearance of your lawn. By maintaining the right balance, you ensure that your grass is getting exactly what it needs to thrive, not just survive. And the benefits aren't just cosmetic. A healthy lawn not only looks better, but it reduces the amount of water that it takes to keep your grass looking green and healthy. If you're looking for exactly how to test your soil, go to this video right here, and I'll show you how.